Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Trends for free market research. First, search for Google Trends. This is the best free tool available to help you understand what the world is searching for at any given moment. It can provide you with product ideas, keyword clusters, and content inspiration. It's easily one of my favorite research tools, so let's jump right in. Once you're on the site, we'll start by using it as a research tool. I'm going to search for digital marketing. By default, the results might show the past 24 hours, so I'm going to change the location to worldwide and the time frame to the past 5 years to see the long-term data. If you scroll down, you'll see related topics and related queries. Related topics, these are broader categories you can use to develop products or even niche down if you're still defining your brand. Related queries, these are the actual keyword phrases people are typing into Google. This is gold for creating blog posts and videos. This is a great way to find keywords, but the real power of Google Trends lies in the compare feature. For example, if I compare digital marketing to AI digital marketing, the results are striking. You can see massive growth for the AI-related term. Looking at the graph, it's clear which topics are trending up and which are freezing. Toward the end of 2025, we see a significant spike in interest. If we add another term like performance marketing, we can see that it's also gaining momentum as we head into 2026. What you've seen here are a few powerful ways to leverage Google Trends. You've learned how to identify high-value keywords and how to spot trending topics before they peak. Use these insights to stay ahead of the curve.